Hello YouTube, how are you guys? Today I'm gonna teach you about the Rust programming language. Maybe this is the first time you hear about it, so before getting our hands dirty with coding, I will talk about Rust. Rust is a system programming language that focuses on three goals. Safety, that means you won't face segmentation faults anymore. Speed, and concurrency, which means that you can execute several streams of operations at the same time or concurrently. Rust provides these features without having a garbage collector that make it useful for a number of cases like embedding its code into another language, writing low-level code like device drivers and operating systems and many other cases. Rust also aims to achieve what they call zero-cost abstraction. Even though some of these abstractions feel like those of high-level languages, even then Rust still allows precise control like a typical low-level language would. Now let's talk about the installation. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate installing Rust only on Ubuntu. If you are on Windows or Mac, just use Google and you will nail it. To install Rust, just execute this command. I think I have it on my clipboard, so I will paste it. This command, I will cancel its execution because I already downloaded it. I will leave this command in the description box so you can copy and paste it. After executing this command, you can troubleshoot for any possible error by executing this command, rust c version. You should see a message like this. If you got any error message, that means you made an error. You can re-execute the previous command and I think you'll be okay. Now that you have Rust installed, we're gonna create the time-honored application, Hello World. The cool thing about starting with such a simple program is that you're gonna verify that your compiler is installed and work properly. So let's do it. I will clear my console or terminal because we are on Ubuntu and I will start Vim. I will call my source file main.rs. Every Rust source code file should end with this extension, rs. Okay, I will write the code and I will go over it, but after compiling it. I will save it and I will compile it. Rust c main.rs. If compiled, I will run it. But what its name? Whoa. I'm not in the desktop. Okay. I will copy the source file into the desktop and I will recompile it. Main.rs home desktop Rust. Cool. Okay, we made it. Now you are a Rust programmer, but let's go over our code. Vim main.rs. Okay. fn main. This line tells the compiler that I am creating a function called main that takes no arguments and returns nothing. This is the keyword that identifies any function, and this is the function name. Main is a very special function. It's the starting point for any Rust program, so your program must have one. This is the function name and this is the function body, and it's wrapped in curly braces. Every function in Rust must be wrapped by curly braces. The function body must be wrapped by curly braces. That's about this line. But what about this? This line does all. This line prints our message. But if you are familiar with any other language, why this exclamation mark here? Okay, because we are not calling a function, we are calling a macro. For now, I want you to know that every time you see a function name followed by an exclamation mark, you know that you are calling a macro, not a function. Okay, and that's pretty it. You are a programmer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn the notifications on to be informed when I upload the next episode of this course. Thanks for watching.